this is not your usual hike, for once upon a time in a land far, far away, there was a happy little couple who wanted to go on a beautiful spring hike in the Moreno Valley. As they journeyed along the spring trail, the emerald hillside dotted with yellow super bloom dazzled their eyes as they went merrily along their way through the hills. To their surprise, a shimmering lizard appeared. It granted them one special wish. The couple pondered for a moment and decided they would love to see more wildlife along the trail. When they turned around, the lizard vanished into thin air, and lo and behold, a quite unusual creature appeared. Here we go.
Okay, I'm coming down to these wild donkeys. I hope they like me. I hope you donkeys like me. Are you guys nice donkeys? Guys, that's all. Okay, you stay there. Good boy. Hi there. The good boy. Yeah, you want to smell me? You want to smell me? Oh, they're so friendly. Hi. This guy came over to see me over here. Hi, buddy. Hi. These are cool. Yeah, burros, donkeys. I think Heidi likes donkeys. I hope they like her. This donkey is pregnant and so sweet, she actually let us pose with her. You've been the nicest, sweetest donkey of all of them. Yeah. It'll be cool when you have your babies. Yeah.
How do you feel, sweetheart?
Yeah. Good donkeys. Good boy. Bet you people come to photo your beauty all the time. Would it be okay if I stay with you? I think Heidi is Snow White. I do. And you're wearing white today, Heidi. She found a buddy. This is up close and personal right here. Hi. Hey, that's my windshield wiper. What you doing, man? Don't eat my windshield wiper.
This donkey loved the smell of our chai teas.
You know what? I don't even think you have to hike this trail to meet a donkey. Hi, buddy. Hi.
And you can't feed them, but they will
We
come.
would love to feed them.
Hey, hello. Oops. Hello there.
Yeah.
Baby. Even though the donkeys are friendly, please use caution. Let them approach you and be gentle. Never stand behind a donkey or near their back end. I think people are feeding them because they thought we had food. It is important to just let them eat what is in nature so they don't become dependent on us humans. Remember, please drive very slow through this area because they can come out of absolutely nowhere. Nice to them, and they'll just
This guy says not today, and that's okay.
Yeah.
Some guys aren't into it. That's cool.
That's very cool.
We're cool with that. We're cool. Let's see if these guys are cool.
Pregnant. Baby.
We got a real friendly one. Oh, he likes me. I like you too, buddy. Donkeys everywhere. Hey guys, I really appreciate you guys posing for me and modeling for me. If I had it my way, I would bring carrots and celeries and I would feed you guys. Yes, I would, but they say don't do it. Well, thank you again, and you guys have a wonderful day. Bye for now.